Hello everyone, I'm Jay Vilatkar and I'm going to explain you about my project ATS Resume Checker. So there is a problem statement that companies receive thousands or hundreds of resumes for job openings. Manual screening can be time consuming and error prone. So for this problem to solve, I have created an ATS Resume Checker. So here's the solution overview, which provides AI-powered resume ATS checker, which is used to analyze and rank multiple resumes against a given job description using AI, which leverages Gemini API keys to simulate how an ATS or recruiter would evaluate candidate resumes for role relevance, skill matching, and keyword presence. The solution also automates the following. It automates the user query as it is provided on the front end and also develops an end-to-end workflow. It retrieves resume and analyzes it and gives ranking for each of the resume. Its key features are that it supports multiple resumes with different formats like PDF and docs. It uses cloud integration like Google Drive using its file IDs. It generates the AI analysis using Gemini API keys, where it matches the score between 0 to 100%. It gives missing key skills and suggests improvements in it. It also automates the ranking by automatically ranking the resumes based on job relevance. It also has various tech stack present in it. That is, it uses Streamlit application for front end, which uses Streamlit module. It uses PyPDF2 and Python docs module for resume parsing. It uses Google Gemini module, its API keys using LangChain and LangChain Google Gen AI. It also uses LangChain agent plus structured tools for agentic search and uses Google Drive API for authentication and using Google Drive for uploading its files, and then uses a service JSON account for credentials for authenticity. It then let's come to work summary. So first is user inputs, where it uploads multiple resumes and provides job description in a text field. Then text extraction, where it extracts text from each resume and then evaluates the resume using artificial intelligence, that is using large language models. In our case, it is Gemini, and then sorts and displays the resume in relevance to job description. And then final is use case scenarios. It is used by recruiters as well as job seekers. It is used by recruiters to prioritize candidates which matches score with the job description, so that it helps to save the time for them, and it helps job seekers to tailor their resume according to a given job description. So let's go to work architecture. So over here is the first diagram, which is a component diagram, which shows a front-end module which has upload resume files button and also a job description with a text file for entering the Google Drive IDs, which is then connected to storage devices like the Google Drive, which the Google Drive is then connected to processing engine and ranking module. The processing engine extracts text and sends the text and feedback to ranking module, where it analyzes the text and generates its ranking for further analysis, and so that it helps the job seekers as well as the recruiters to understand where the resume lies, what are its rankings. Second is high-level flow-based system architecture, where we used Streamlit as front end, which is connected to Google Drive API key. The Streamlit is also connected to a processing engine which uses PyPDF2 and Python docs to parse the resumes, which then extracts text and gives to ranking module, which uses Gemini API key and its algorithm to analyze the text and rank it according to its job description. and relevance. After this is the same workflow architecture diagram where Streamlit UI is connected to Resume Parser, Resume Parse Engine is connected to LangChain and Gemini API key, and Google Drive downloader. The LangChain Gemini API key is connected to ranking algorithm and gives the final output. And now the data flow which I explained you about. So here is the front-end development, where the frameworks used for front-end is Streamlit, which contains a file uploader, a text area for job description, an input field for Google Drive IDs, and a button to analyze the resumes using AI. Here's the backend integration, which uses Google Drive API to connect this front-end with the storage so that it could parse the resumes in PDF as well as docs. After that, we have used agentic AI search while querying the resumes and parsing it so that it helps us to generate an answer in structured format and with more efficiency. After that, we have used a ranking algorithm which helps to generate a matching score based on alignment between the resume and job description, so that the results are then sorted based on the relevance with the job description, and which is done by regex, which extracts scores from AI response and ranks it accordingly. After that, we have given the development best practices and file structure, as you can see above over here. Okay, so let's go to the demo. So here is the demo where you can see this AI powered resume ATS checker. Here's the button for browsing files from the computer. Here's the job description. Here are the Google Drive file IDs in comma separated list. So I will tell you how to take these Google Drive file IDs. Go to your Google Drive over here. In our case, it is there. I have opened it already. You have to open it. Then click on any resume like this. Then click on then do right click. Then go to share and click on share. And then I have already generated a link. So you have to generate a link. You have to give all the access. You have to copy the link over here and copy the file ID over here. You can see the ID after this D and slash. This is the D and this is the slash. So after this one is the file ID over here. You can see this before the view. This is the file ID which you have to copy. So I have already copied this with 2 resumes, and then it shows fetched and extracted text from 2 resumes from Google Drive successfully. After that, I have clicked on check resumes so that it gives the analysis by AI, and over here you can see analysis by AI, and it gives the ranking over here where match score is 75% for both the resume. This is match score for first, and second, this is match score for second. You can see this. Okay, so now let's go to the code. So over here I have imported various modules which I told, that is Streamlit, PyPDF2, Docs, LangChain, Google modules, etc. So over here I have made a class where I have inserted inputs, that is resume text and job description. Then I made a function for resume match where I have given a prompt for input of resume and job description and how to give an output. After this, I've used Gemini API key with model this and to generate the content. After this, I've used a memory for further questions. I've then used a structured tool to convert the match resume function into a tool so that it would help in agentic AI search and it would search more efficiently. And I've then used this tool inside an agent with LLM and agent type along with memory so that it could be converted into an agent. After that, I've created 2 functions to extract text from docs as well as PDF, where I have imported document from docs module and PDF. So as I was saying that there were two functions to extract text from docs file as well as PDF file. So here I have used document, which I have imported from docs module, and PyPDF reader, which I have imported from PyPDF2, which then parses the text from docs as well as PDF file respectively. After this, I have used download file from Google Drive and created a function where I have used its credentials to parse and download the files using media IO based download. After this, we have used extract match score, which matches the score for the resumes, and a sort set in descending order with relevance. After this, the Streamlit code starts, where you can see the title, you can see upload file button, job description text box, drive file IDs text box, and then you can see the authentication code, where you can see the path which authenticates the drive file, and then you can see the upload files option where files are uploaded, and the drive files option where texts are extracted from the file using the file IDs. After that, you click on the check resume button to analyze it, where it gives analyzing with AI, and then gives the analysis and sort set with relevance. And if it is not done, it gives an error by showing a message called please upload at least one resume and enter a job description. So in this way, it helps the recruiter as well as the job seeker to tailor the resume and find the best match for the job. Thank you and have a nice day.